The ultimate speakers to party. Wherever the party takes you, the Bluetooth waterproof speaker will supply hours and hours of entertainment, packing huge unmistakable 400 watts of peak power and a real booming bass into an ultra-portable wireless speaker. Bring your drinks out along with you. The monster speaker floats on the water at 90 degrees so your beverage stays stable and spill-free. LED lighting FX. Beat Sync'd Multi-Color LED Woofer lights plus a center strobe make for one incredible light show. Multiple modes allow you to dial in the perfect lighting vibe for your party so you can light up the night indoor or outdoor. Full range of sound. Dual 8" woofers produce ultra-smooth low-end bass while plus 3 1-inch high-frequency tweeters with intelligent stereo orientation provide clear high-end treble, regardless of orientation. Along with the Class D amplifier, these loud Bluetooth speakers push out 400 W of heart-thumping sound. Make a splash. Waterproof and IP67 rated outdoor speakers are perfect for pool parties, the beach or any outdoor event. It even floats. Throw it right in. Party worry-free knowing your waterproof speaker is built to handle any scenario. We even gave you a sealed compartment in the back to stick your wallet and or phone in the back so you can keep them dry but never out of reach. Total portability. Ergonomic handles allow for easy transport. Bluetooth streaming allows you to carry the wireless outdoor speakers around the party untethered. Voice control function allows you to receive phone calls or use Siri, etc. So you don't even need to get your phone wet to make a call or switch tracks and music. Just call out Siri or Google to use your smart speaker. Top reviews from the United States. Alternate to pontoon boat stereo. I bought this speaker instead of putting a lot of money into my 1992 pontoon boat stereo system. The pluses are it is portable, waterproof, and sounds great. It is a little heavy, at 25 pounds, but overall is really sturdy and has nice features. We'll use it elsewhere when we want to have great sound and another system isn't available.